Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your video in CapCut PC. First, you can import your video and your logo to the CapCut apps. For example, I'm going to select this video and then import your logo. But I don't have logo and I want to use I'm going to use the YouTube logo. So where are you? So here. So select your video to the track and then select logo you want to add. Just put on top as an overlay. Just for the duration, and you can change for the size and then just for the position. So and you can add text, whole text, and change the text. For example, your YouTube channel. Sorry. Can resize and put here. That's it. So super simple. That's how you can add logo to your video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.